So I might have shot myself in the foot a little bit here. This has taken 2 days to create and I offered it to the clients for free, but that's alright. I wanted something different and something to look cool from the standard generic option that was spec'd. They'd asked for a standard chrome wine glass holder on the bottom of a shelf, but instead I've incorporated the slots into the shelf. You know, it's going to have my name on it in the end, so I think this looks far better, and that little extra work makes the difference. So basically it's just a holder for the wine glasses, and I built it to an average wine glass size, if you like, or just over, so anything should fit in there, any glass. I think that's worth it. Looks pretty awesome. Oh, you're still there. I made a time-lapse video of it as well, step-by-step process of it going together, so that'll come up next.
Nothing's gonna change my mind. I won't listen to anyone's last words. There's nothing left for you.